Hey y'all, again, I know nobody asked, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. So I had this old wig and I ended up cutting the wig, so I was like, let me just add some layers into it. Again, I just add layers until it feels right. Like, just do whatever feels right. This is what it was looking like after I kind of got to where the length that I wanted it to. Then I was like, let me straighten it and see how it's looking. And I used Got To Be Glue to lay my lace down, just in case anybody was wondering. This is me feeling myself, just a period. Boom, do that little quick little sing break. Then I get my hot comb. Y'all know I hate to use a hot comb, but I gotta use a hot comb. But then last minute I decided, like, let me throw some flat iron curls in it, because I felt like the cut was a little blunt, and I think that curls sometimes look really good with like a shorter style or like a blunt cut, like when you put curls in it. So I was like, let me do some quick flat iron curls. I really like the flat iron curls. This is how they looked after I kind of like finger brushed them out. So yeah, this is me, and then look at me looking cute. Period. Bye y'all.